My name is Raymond Tabak, and I am the chief of Penn's Medical Emergency Response Team. And our mission is more than EMS. We take care of our community by providing quick emergency medical services on our bicycles and also providing vital outreach and initiatives to make sure that we keep our community safe both here and around the Philadelphia area by working in our schools, by working on campus, and by truly making sure that we're able to keep everybody safe and educated. We work hand in hand with the Philadelphia Fire Department to make sure that the students, faculty, and staff on this campus and all of our visitors get the care they need. And the reason why we do this is because all of us truly have a deep passion for emergency medicine and making sure that we're there for when people need us most. Our team trains regardless of the scale of the emergency. We want to make sure that we're here no matter how big or small the emergency is, and we're able to provide the best care to all the patients that we work with. Thanks to our partners in Public Safety, at Wellness at Penn, Penn Medicine, our medical director, Dr. Joshua Glick. We're able to do what we do to keep both Penn's community safe and the greater Philadelphia area safe as well.